Students, let us start with the experiment. Now we are going to verify the truth table of given ICs. Now first of all, we will verify the truth table of AND gate, and the number is 7408. I have to place the IC in this given socket and then fix it. Here I have the C mark should be there for the first number. Now this IC is mounted on this given socket. Here the numbers, every terminal connection is written over here. This is the number 1 connection, second pin connection, third pin, fourth pin, fifth pin, sixth pin, seventh pin which is connected to ground, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 terminal is connected to VCC. Now here this is a terminal input we have to choose. This is a terminal. To give the given condition we can use this terminal. The below number is 0, that is low input, and above number is 1, that is high input. Then here this is a B terminal. The voltage given to this B terminal using this pin, 0 that is low input and 1 is a high output. Now this is a Y, that is the output, and the output, if the output is high, this part will be glow, and if the output is low, then we will get no glowing at this output window. See, I have just connected the input terminal A to the one terminal, input terminal B to the second terminal, and the output will go to the third terminal. Now I just switch on the, I've just given the condition for the A is 0 and B is also 0. So I just on the circuit, it's on now. Now just see, we will not get any kind of glowing to the output. That means output is 0. So I will just check out here in a given observation table. If A is 0, B is 0, output is also 0. Let us check it with this Boolean equation A dot B. That is, it will give you a low input if both the inputs are low. Now switch off it, give the another condition. For A condition I will keep it 0 only, and for the B will just give the condition high. So input is high at B terminal and input is low at A terminal. So I just write down input is 0 for A terminal and input is high at B terminal. Now just on it, just look at here. Again there is no glowing at the output. That means output is 0. So I will write for this condition output is 0. That is low output I am getting. Switch off it, give the another condition. Now we'll change the condition of A input, it makes high, and B input I will make it low. Now let us on it, check out, there is no glowing at output. That means output is low. Switch off it. Now for this condition also, when input A is high and input B is low, output is low. Now I will give the condition all the inputs are high, that is A input is also high and B input is also high. Now switch on it. Now you can see the output is glowing. That means output is high. Switch off it and give the condition here for all the inputs are high, output is also high. And it verifies with the given observation table, given truth table. Now mount the another IC 7432, fix it in a socket and give the condition 0 0 0 0. Now this gate is nothing but 7432 is OR gate. So Boolean equation is y is equal to a plus b. So we should get the output is high if any one of the input is high. So let us check it with that. Now A input is low, B input is also low. Switch on it. Output is high. Sorry, output is low. Switch off it. So write down for the both the terminals at low voltage, we also get the low output. Now give the condition A is 0, B is 1. Switch on it. Now the output is high as this terminal glows. Switch off it. So I will just write down for A input is 0, B input is 1, that is high, output is 1. Now give the condition here. A input is 1, B input is 0. Switch on it. Now also we will get output is high. So for A input high, B input low, we also get the output is high. Now give the another condition. Both the inputs are at high. A is also high and B is also high. Now just on it, you will find the output is glowing. That means output is high. Switch off it. And for given condition 1 1, output is also 1. So it verify with the given truth table. We get same kind of working for the another gate. This is a second gate, this will give you the third gate, and this will give the fourth gate. So all the gates will get the same truth table or same observation. Now let us unmount this and mount NOT gate 7404. Fix it. Now it has only one terminal and one output. So let us check it here. Input 1, A is the input and B, second terminal gives you output. Now initially I will put a low condition for a input. Let us check it. Output is high, and when I give a high input, output is low. I can check it for the another gate also. For low, give the input low, check the output is high, and for high input, output is low. So I can just use this given table. Only one input is there, so I will just cross this part. When the input is low, output is high, and when input is high, output is low. It also verify with the given truth table, as Boolean equation is y is equal to A inverse. Now unmount this NOT gate and mount the another gate, that is NAND gate. It is a combination of and NOT. Now here it has two terminal, so insert the another terminal also. For this, A is input, A and B are input. So see here, connection 1 and 2 are input and 3 is output. I have given the condition for A is 0, B is also 0, and I will switch on it. Now the output is high. So for 0 0 condition, output is high, so I write the 1. Now switch off it. Give the condition A is 0, B is high 1. Check out. Output is high. See, it's glowing here. Switch off it and write the answer for this also high. Now give the condition. A is 1, B is 0, and just look at here, it glows. That means for A is high and B is low, for this condition output is again high 1. Now switch off it and give the condition. A is also 1 and B is also at 1. That is, both are at high input voltage. Look at here, the output we get it as low. So when both the inputs are at high, we get low output. Unmount this, and now the last IC of NOR gate, mount it well. Press it here. Now give the condition. Now for this, if you see the circuit here, 1 gives you output and 2 and 3 are input. So we will do the connection like this. So we have done the connection like that. A and B terminal both are connected to the input terminal 2 and 3, and output is connected to the 1 terminal. Now give the condition. B is 0, A is also 0, switch on it, output is high. So for this 0, 0 input, output is high. Switch off it. Give the another condition. 0, 1, B is 1, A is 0, switch on it. There is no glowing of at output. So for the reading, low input at one terminal and high output at another terminal, output is 0. Now give the condition. B is at 0, A at 1, on it. Again the output is low. Switch off it. Write down the reading. For high input and low input at B, output is 0. Now give the condition. Both the inputs are at high. A also high and B is also high. On it. Again we will not get a high output. We get a low output. Switch off it. So when both the inputs are at high, we get 0 output. So this also tally the Boolean equation y is equal to A plus B bar. So it verifies the truth table of all the given particular basic gates and the other 2 gates. Now let us see the precaution. Input voltage must be 5 volt. Whatever the input VCC we are giving, that must be a 5 volt. Then connection should be joined correctly. The grounding should be properly for input, that is for the 0 volt, and the connection must be tight. So for exam, you have to give a Boolean equation or circuit diagram and the truth table of any one of the gate. Thank you.